Hey there, friends. Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, your cozy corner of the internet for all things home, heart, and design. I am so excited you're here today because we are diving into one of my absolute favorite design worlds, a Joanna Gaines-inspired summer farmhouse. Think shiplap walls, warm textures, fresh botanicals, and that signature mix of rustic and refined that just feels like home. We're touring every single room together, so grab your iced coffee, get comfortable, and let's get inspired. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a single idea. Drop a comment below and tell me your favorite farmhouse design moment. First impressions matter, and a Joanna Gaines-inspired farmhouse facade is nothing short of breathtaking. Picture a crisp white board-and-batten exterior, that classic vertical plank siding, paired with a bold black front door and matching black window trim for striking contrast. For summer, layer in natural warmth with wooden porch posts, a galvanized metal house number plaque, and overflowing window boxes bursting with white petunias and trailing greenery. A wooden American-style farmhouse sign above the porch adds soul. The key design principle here is edited eclecticism, purposeful, not overdone. Every detail whispers charm. Step inside and your entryway sets the entire tone of your home. In Joanna's world, the mudroom-style entry is both gorgeous and hardworking. Install a shiplap-backed wall organizer with black iron hooks for coats, sun hats, and woven tote bags. Below, a built-in bench in white painted wood with beadboard paneling gives you a seat while slipping off shoes, and woven baskets underneath store them neatly. Add a vintage-inspired round mirror above, a distressed wood console table for keys and mail, a potted eucalyptus, and a natural jute mat at the door. Simple, warm, and completely intentional. The farmhouse living room is where Joanna Gaines truly shines. For summer, start with a white shiplap feature wall as your anchor. Choose a slip-covered sofa in warm linen or cotton, soft and inviting. Layer your space with a chunky woven throw, a mix of solid and grain sack stripe pillows, and a coffee table made from reclaimed wood. A jute or sisal area rug in a natural tone grounds everything beautifully. For summer freshness, bring in a tall ceramic vase of dried pampas grass or fresh white hydrangeas. The design principle, intentional layering, texture upon texture, never cluttered. Nothing says farmhouse summer like a long, communal dining table made for gathering. Choose a solid wood farmhouse table, ideally in a light, whitewashed or natural oak finish, paired with mismatched wooden chairs and a bench on one side for casual, lived-in charm. For the table decor, keep it seasonal and organic. A linen runner down the center, a cluster of pillar candles in varying heights, a wooden bowl filled with lemons or small summer squash, and a mason jar arrangement of wildflowers. Overhead, hang a statement chandelier in black iron with Edison bulbs. Warm, inviting, and effortlessly beautiful. Here is the heart of every farmhouse home, the kitchen. Go with white shaker-style cabinets, that clean, simple inset panel design Joanna loves, paired with open floating shelves and reclaimed wood above to display ironstone pitchers, glass jars, and cookbooks. Choose a farmhouse apron sink in white porcelain as your focal point. For appliances, a matte black or stainless steel refrigerator with clean lines keeps things modern yet classic. Your stove should be a statement. A 6-burner range in white or classic navy. Tuck a small, vintage-style coffee machine in a dedicated coffee nook on the counter. Practical and picture-perfect. The details are where a farmhouse kitchen transforms from nice to extraordinary. Choose cabinet hardware in unlacquered brass or matte black, simple bar pulls or cup pulls for that authentic handcrafted feel. Countertops in honed white marble or a white quartz with soft gray veining create a luxurious yet hardworking surface. A subway tile backsplash in a classic brick-lay pattern ties it all together. For summer, style your open shelves intentionally. Stack white ceramic plates, hang a few dried herb bundles, and tuck in a small potted herb garden on the windowsill. This is what designers call vignette styling: curated, purposeful, and storytelling. Just off the kitchen, the farmhouse family room is designed for real life. In Joanna's style, this space feels lived in and warm, never stiff. Anchor the room with a large sectional sofa in a neutral cream or warm gray performance fabric, perfect for families. Mount a flat-screen TV on a shiplap wall panel framed by built-in bookshelves painted in warm white. Style those shelves with a mix of hardcover books, small potted plants, framed family photos, and a vintage wooden clock. Keep the palette soft: cream, warm beige, sage green accents. Add a ceiling fan with wooden blades for that breezy summer farmhouse feel. Every modern farmhouse home needs a space that works as hard as you do, beautifully. Tuck a home office nook into an alcove or the end of a hallway. Choose a small, characterful writing desk, perhaps a vintage wood piece with tapered legs, paired with a simple linen cushioned chair. Accessorize thoughtfully: a small antique-style desk clock for that timeless charm, a compact vintage-inspired radio in cream or pastel for atmosphere, a simple table lamp with a linen shade, and a small ceramic vase with a single stem. Beside it, create a reading nook with a cozy armchair, a wooden side table, a stack of books, and a soft throw blanket. Your bedroom should feel like the most peaceful room in your home. In Joanna's style, that means layers of white and warm neutral bedding, a linen duvet, cotton Euroshams, and a chunky knit throw folded at the foot of the bed. Choose a wooden bed frame in a whitewashed or natural finish, ideally with a simple plank headboard. Flanking nightstands in natural wood hold ceramic lamps with linen shades. For summer freshness, open the windows and layer in organic cotton curtains in white that allow light to filter through softly. Add a large antique-style mirror and a simple botanical print above the headboard for that signature farmhouse romance. The farmhouse bathroom is all about clean lines meeting warm, organic textures. For your shower, think white subway tile floor-to-ceiling with a simple hex tile floor and a frameless glass panel door, timeless and bright. Install a rainfall showerhead in matte black for a luxurious touch. At the vanity or wastafel, choose a vessel-style sink in white porcelain atop a wood or white painted vanity with open shelving below for rolled linen towels. Add a round black-framed mirror above, brass or black fixtures, and a small wooden ladder towel rack beside the shower. Finish with a potted fern, white cotton towels, and a simple soap dispenser set. Clean, calm, beautiful. Most people overlook the garage, but a true farmhouse home pays attention to every space. Start with the garage door itself. Choose a classic carriage house-style door in white or sage green with black hardware for that signature farmhouse curb appeal. Inside, install a wall-mounted pegboard system in natural wood or white for tools, garden items, and sports equipment, organized and attractive. Add an old wooden workbench along one wall for projects and potting. Stack galvanized metal bins for storage and label them with chalkboard tags. Hang a few vintage signs or framed botanical prints. It's practical, it's personal, and it absolutely reflects the home's design story. Summer and a farmhouse patio were made for each other. Design yours as an outdoor living room, intentional, comfortable, and full of charm. Start with a large, round teak or reclaimed wood dining table and mismatched wooden metal chairs. String Edison bulb lights overhead from post to post for warm evening ambience. Add a potted olive tree in a terracotta planter as a natural focal point. Layer in an outdoor jute rug, linen throw pillows in warm whites and sage, and a galvanized metal beverage tub for summer entertaining. A chalkboard welcome sign near the porch steps adds personality. This is where summer memories are made. Color is the quiet magic behind every great farmhouse design. For a Joanna Gaines summer palette, think soft and organic. Warm white, creamy ivory, and light gray as your base tones. These create that clean, airy backdrop. Layer in natural wood tones from light oak to warm walnut for depth. Then add accent colors that celebrate summer. Sage green in plants and soft textiles, dusty blue in a throw or a door, and a touch of terracotta in a vase or pot. Avoid stark, cold whites. Instead, choose warm whites with a slight yellow or gray undertone. The result is a home that feels like sunshine on a slow summer morning. Shopping for farmhouse furniture doesn't have to be overwhelming. The key is to mix old and new intentionally, what designers call curated vintage. Invest in a few quality anchor pieces, a solid wood dining table, a slip-covered sofa, and a wooden bed frame. Then fill in with thrifted or vintage finds, an old wooden ladder, a grain sack pillow, a chippy painted stool. Look for furniture with these hallmarks: natural materials like wood, linen, cotton, and iron. Simple silhouettes without excessive ornamentation, and a sense of age or handcraft, even if new. Joanna's rule: if it looks like it has a history, it belongs in a farmhouse. Accessories are the punctuation marks of your design story, and in a farmhouse home, they should feel collected, personal, and natural. Build what designers call vignettes: small, styled groupings on shelves, mantels, and tabletops. A great farmhouse vignette includes something tall, a pitcher, a candle, a plant; something round, a bowl, a clock, a globe; and something with texture, a book, a basket, a cutting board. For summer, lean into natural materials: dried grasses, fresh herbs in clay pots, linen-wrapped candles, and wooden trays. Black iron accents, old clocks, vintage books, and ironstone ceramics are all perfectly on-brand. Less is more. Always edit before you're done. Refreshing your farmhouse for summer doesn't require a full renovation. Just a few intentional swaps make all the difference. Swap out heavy wool throws for lightweight linen or cotton knit alternatives. Replace dark-toned throw pillows with grain sack stripes, white solids, or soft sage green covers. Bring in fresh botanicals: a bouquet of white hydrangeas, a bundle of lavender, or a tall stem of cotton on the branch. Open your curtains wider. Let the summer light flood in. Replace your centerpiece with a wooden bowl of lemons or a mason jar of wildflowers. These are low-cost, high-impact changes that immediately signal summer in the most beautiful farmhouse way. What makes Joanna Gaines' design philosophy so universally beloved is this: she designs for how people actually live. Her spaces are warm, not sterile; layered, not cluttered; personal, not generic. She blends what designers call rustic modernism, the beauty of natural, imperfect materials paired with clean, functional lines. She believes every home should tell the story of the people who live in it. Her signature moves include shiplap walls, open shelving, apron sinks, vintage-inspired light fixtures, and that masterful layering of textures and tones. The greatest lesson? Design with your heart. Choose things you love, mix old with new, and never decorate for anyone but yourself. Ready to bring this to life in your own home? Here's your simple action plan. Start small. Pick one room or even one corner and apply the principles you've learned today. Begin with a neutral base. Paint your walls in a warm white like Joanna's beloved Shiplap white by Magnolia or similar soft whites. Then layer in natural textures: a jute rug, linen pillows, a wooden tray. Add one statement vintage or rustic piece. Style your first vignette on a shelf or side table. Take a photo. Notice the difference. Remember, a farmhouse home is built piece by piece, memory by memory. You don't need to do it all at once. You just need to begin. And that, friends, is your complete guide to creating a Joanna Gaines-inspired summer farmhouse, from the curb all the way to the patio. Every room, every detail, Every little styling tip designed to help you fall in love with your home all over again. Design at its best isn't about perfection. It's about creating a space that feels like you, that wraps you up the moment you walk through the door. I hope today's video gave you a spark of inspiration and a whole lot of confidence to start making changes in your own beautiful home. If you loved this video, please give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite room from today's tour, and most importantly, subscribe to the Daily House Ideas so we can keep dreaming and designing together. See you in the next one.